Yeah, here's the new super duper ultra awesome version of the RFID demonstrator, or the RFIDemon as I called it. It is in many ways the same as the old version. You can use both Wi-Fi Classic, you can use this Fire, you can use ultralight cards on it. Now you saw that all the LEDs were red, but I can push a button on the back and it will learn new cards, so I can make it learn my Wi-Fi Classic card, like that. Or I can make it learn a ultralight card, and now those cards will be valid. In this version I added a tamper switch, so if I just remove the reader, now there's supposed to be a screw down here, but I just removed it now to make it easier. If I remove the reader, start beep, because of the light sensor there. As soon as that turns light on that sensor, it starts to beep. So the way to bypass it is by having something that you can hold over the sensor, like that. You can even use tape or something. Like, this is the first time I'm trying this, so let's see if it works. Taped. Try it again just to see that it works. Let's see, carefully, careful. Tape under, tape on. Now it's possible to remove it. And when it's removed, you now have the option to mount ESPKey, for example, which I already mounted here. And the cables for the ESPKey can be replaced, because they will wear when you use the ESPKey on it. So just flick open these Wago terminals, and you will be able to switch out the wires for Wiegand D0 and D1, and power and ground, 4 wires that you will need to change out. So when the ESPKey is in place, you can remove the tamper bypass like that. Cards are working. Let's see if I am to connect to the access point on the ESP, like that, and just show that it's possible to replay and use the ESPKey as it is supposed to be used. I'm not sure if you can see my phone, but we'll try. So now it's an empty log on the ESP. Swipe a card that's working. Now the card will show up in the ESP. Push the transmit, and it will turn green and beep, just like swiping a regular card. So that's it. So long.